Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by reconnecting the device to Wi-Fi and signing into the same account you used before the reset. Enter your primary email and password. If you remember them, proceed. If not, choose the account recovery option. Make sure recovery phone numbers or backup emails are available because verification codes will be sent there. Once done, keep the device nearby and ready to receive SMS or email codes. This ensures the service recognizes the device and speeds up restoration. Next, follow the provider's recovery flow step by step. Tap Forgot Password, then select to receive a code via SMS, recovery email, or authenticator app. You should enter codes promptly. Timeouts commonly occur. If you use two-step verification, open your authenticator app or locate backup codes stored offline. When automated recovery fails, fill out the account recovery form accurately, provide previous passwords, device details, and approximate creation dates to prove ownership and regain access. Finally, once you regain access, reauthorize the device and sync your email. Check IMAP/POP settings or reopen the email app and allow full sync. Change the password to a new strong one, re-enable two-factor authentication, and save new backup codes in a secure location. Make sure mailbox folders and labels reappear. If messages are missing, check server settings and trash/archive. If you still can't access the account, contact provider support with proof of ownership and error messages for manual recovery assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.